Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to have you. Thank you so much guys for always clicking. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. And in case you're just joining us, my name is Nigeria Princess. I create content on lifestyles, side businesses you can do even as a 9 to 5 worker, and of course even if you are just at home, maybe as a stay-at-home mom, as a student, anything side hustle. Okay. I create content on that, and sometimes I talk about food, but hey, that is because I'm a foodie. Okay, thank you so much guys for clicking, and in case you have not subscribed, please kindly do so now. Please kindly do so now. Okay, today I'll be talking about few businesses or few skills you can acquire in 2022 that will make you a millionaire, and this is very possible. Yes, it is very possible. It is not hearsay. It is very possible. I actually had to talk with few persons that I know that do these skills, and some of them I've actually tried them myself, and I'll tell you, if you put your mind to it, you will definitely get it. Okay, even the Bible says wherever your heart is, there is your treasure. Okay, there lies your treasure. So in case you want to dig up the treasures, your heart has to be there. Okay, so that is what we're going to be talking about today. So let's dive in right into the video. Today I'll be talking about few skills you need to acquire in the year 2022 that will make you a millionaire. I'm serious about it. As a Nigerian, I've tried some of these businesses, and you too should try it, because we get the hustling spirit inside of us. So do it, double up guys. So today I'll be sharing these few skills with you. Acquire them and start cashing out immediately. Okay, so number one on my list is become a nail technician. Yes, become a nail technician. Like, these guys are making super money. They're making a lot of money. Approach a nail technician in a day. They will tell you how much they make in a day, because girls want to look good, people want to look good. Like, we don't want to go anywhere looking like I just come. We want to enter a place and we are recognized. Okay, so become a nail technician. The cheapest amount I know people charge for nail is 500. I don't know if they still do that because that was few years ago. Okay, but recently I know that at least if you want to put normal nails, it's like 1,000 thereabout, and you want to polish your toes, is from 200, 500. I've done nail polish, just my toes, for 500, and I came back feeling like a big girl. I'm chilling with the big boys. So you want to try this particular business. Okay, you just learn from the best. Learn how to do acrylic nails, learn how to do different kinds of nails and different kind of design, and before you know it, you are there. Even when you japa, you still have something to show for it, because they're looking for you out there. Seriously, even people with the outside, they're the one that will cherish what you're doing. Okay, so learn this skill and no good. Learn this skill and become a millionaire immediately. Like, even Christmas period, like during the festive period, that is the major time when you sell. You see, weekends, there's plenty money waiting for you. So this is one of the skills that will make you a millionaire in 2022 if you're a serious person. Then number two skill you can acquire in 2022 is photography. I know. Everybody's not snapping with their phone. I know. Okay, you can actually learn this skill. Maybe become a wedding photographer. You can also become someone's content creator. You can just change, maybe create a niche for yourself and become a photographer for small businesses. Just offer them that you can ask them to create pictures, help them take their pictures, they send to you, or you go to their location, take pictures, and that's it guys. You're making a whole lot of money. Okay, so you want to try this skill. Photography is selling. In fact, it's one skill that will sell. Even when they bring the latest phones, photography will definitely sell, and you want to try it. Okay, so learn this skill, create a niche, probably for any niche at all. Okay, create this niche, and before you know it, the sky will not even be your skill you can acquire is makeup. Yes, becoming a makeup artist is not addicted at all. Some of us cannot even draw an eyebrow, like draw it perfectly. Some people does not know how to do it. Some people cannot, like they cannot make up to save their life. They can't. So this is where you step in. You help them look good and go for different owambes on Saturdays. And learning makeup doesn't take you years. It doesn't take you months. In fact, they have different ones you can learn for 2 weeks, 1 week, 1 month. It just depends. Okay, you could just approach one makeup artist that you know that is very good, not people that do what I ordered versus what I got. Okay, you go for people that really know their worth, really know what they are doing, and before you know it, out there. Okay, so you start offering different makeup. I know that the least they charge for wedding makeup could be 30,000-50,000. Yes, if you want to make up for your wedding, the least, maybe the person so love you, just charge you 30,000, 35,000. So imagine on a Saturday you're making 35,000. That's someone's salary, guys. That is someone's salary. So this skill, imagine every week on a Saturday alone, like you have like 4 brides. Calculate it. So in a month you're already making over 200k. Okay, depending on how much you are charging. So guys, this is a very good business idea. It is a very good skill you can learn in 2022 and become a millionaire, or definitely find your way to any millions in the nearest future. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. So another skill you can learn in 2022 is smoothies. Become a smoothie maker. Okay, smoothie, fresh juice. Some of us cannot even make these things. I'm telling you the truth. The last time I made a smoothie, I can't remember when last, because it's so tiring. Okay, so it's so tiring. Some of us can't go to shops, grocery shops, to go buy these fruits, these things to make this smoothie and have the time to do it. So we definitely buy from you. Okay, become that person that we're looking for. Make good smoothies. In fact, there are 1,001 videos you can watch online. You don't even need to go to any school for it. Really, you can just watch free YouTube videos online how to make different types of smoothies. Okay, then you can also add tiger nut juice. I know how much I made with tiger nut juice when I started. At first I was selling is it 30 ml? I can't remember, but 35 cl. I was selling 35 cl for 200 naira. Later, that same 35 cl I started selling for 500, and people were buying because it was rich. It was really rich. So you can learn these things online. It's very affordable. Learn how to make smoothies, learn how to make fresh juice. You can add tiger nut juice, soya bean juice, like just different kinds of smoothies, and sell them. Before you know it, you're on your way to hitting your millions. Okay, it's a very fantastic skill. Okay, people are going on a diet and they need you to offer them different. You can actually offer this your customers different. Tell them, okay, you can offer them this and tell them, okay, we have you can actually subscribe for a month, and every day you receive juices, you receive different maybe smoothies or tiger nuts, like every day or twice a week. Just make an offer. Just give them an offer. Your customers are waiting for an offer. Just give them an offer, and before you know it, you are hitting your millions in 2022. And the next skill I'll be talking about is make wigs. Wig makers, they're making good money. So you buy this raw hair from China, okay, and you make good hair. You make a very fantastic wig with it. It is money. Don't say everybody's doing it. You have your own market. The sky is so big for every one of us as Nigerians. Do you know how many people live in Nigeria? We're many. So tell me if these people, they have not even scratched the surface. They have not scratched it. Don't say because my neighbor is selling wigs, I can't do it, or somebody I know is selling wigs. And you guys are not dragging customers. you are not staying in the same place, okay? Or you don't even have the same smartphone, the same followers. So why don't you just learn this thing? You can actually learn them online. It's free of charge on YouTube, okay? Or you approach someone that makes these things and learn from them. Learn how to make wig, learn how to style wigs, learn how to wash wigs, like you wash and style. So I think you should learn this thing, and before you know it, you're on your way to making millions. I'm telling you, before you know it, once people are good with your product, they're okay with your product, before you know, they start referring their friends, their family members, and say, okay, this guy is good, this lady is good with wig making, and you're hitting your millions before the end of 2022. And the next skill I want to talk about is learn how to barb hair. I know it might sound like I don't know what I'm saying. Hey guys, I'm a graduate. How can I go learn how to barb hair? Guys, have you heard of the celebrity barber? These people are making good money. Like they've created a niche for themselves, and they only barb hair for celebrities. Who told you that all the celebrities go there? Who told you cannot create something for yourself? Create a niche and serve your word. Imagine going to abroad to go to become a barber. Okay, let's say you got to the UK or you got to US and there was no job. The only job you saw were people looking for barbers and all of it. Do you know how much you're going to be making per hour barbing people's hair? Man, especially when you're coming from Nigeria or Africa and you know how to do this thing, guys, they'll be rushing you. So go learn how to barb hair. Like, learn how to barb hair. It's very, very easy. You can learn online. You can also approach a barber to teach you and learn how to do different styles, you know, because a lot of people are cutting their hair. Even females are cutting their hair now, so they have different styles. You want to do an tabeka, you want to do this, you want to do that. Just learn all the curves and all for hair, okay? So learn this thing, learn how to style these hairs, okay? Before you know it, you are just there. Because I know a lot of Nigerians want to japa, and the money is in japa. If there's any word for that. So guys, you want to learn the skill and become very good at it. Before you know it, you are hitting your million goals. Okay, the last skill I'll be talking about is tailoring. It's not outdated. Yes, it's not. And not everybody also going to be a tailor. I know. But if you have eye for details and you have eyes for fashion, why don't you learn this skill? It doesn't take you like a whole year. I've seen people say they're going to learn the tailoring for years. Guys, when you have passion for something, it won't take you long to learn it. Approach a fashion school, and I think they have different courses, some for 3 months, some for 6 months, some for 1 year. Just approach them, learn this thing. Now you're not going to just be sitting in your shop or in your house waiting for customer to bring clothes. You create designs for yourself, and this is one of the problems or the mistakes some tailors are having. They just sit until one customer brings clothes. They will not sell, they will not make clothes. They wait for customers to bring clothes. If the customer does not bring clothes, no clothes that day, you will not make any, the whole month, no sales. Why don't you create your own designs, put them out there, and people will start ordering for those designs. Once it's out of stock, it's out of stock. You create another design and people will rush it. Once it's out of stock, it's out of stock. Don't just keep repeating the same design, just keep creating different designs, and before you know it, you are just there. Okay, so go learn these skills and make fantastic money in the year 2020. You know I love you, that's why I'm creating this content for you. So in case you are confused on the skill you want to choose, this is fantastic skills you can choose from. Okay, so learn any of these skills and you're on your way to hitting millions. See, let me tell you, you can never remove skills in fact, skills pays. Skills pays. There's so much money to make with our skills. Learn skills. There's so much money to make with our skills. And when you learn these skills, please learn social media marketing. This is one of the skills that will help you to make your millions. If you just don't learn skills, learn social media marketing. learn social media marketing. Immediately you have acquired the skills, kindly learn how to market your product using social media, Facebook, Google, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever. Just go and place yourself out there and let people know what you do. Let people know what you do. Don't just sit down. Let your light shine. Don't hide it under the bushel. Come up and let it shine. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. In case you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. And if you know other skills that people can learn in 2022, kindly also drop it on the comment section. And in case also you're having issue with finding the skills or making your choice, you can send me a DM. I can help you. Yeah, I can. So send me a DM on Instagram and let's start from there. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much. In case you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button right now and let's roll. Thank you guys. Bye.